Right, this video we're going to show you how to upgrade your rear number plate lights on your Ford Ranger rear bumper, your step bumper on your Ford Ranger T6, T7, to this super bright LED type from the all not so exciting type there. So we're going to show you how to do it and show you what you get and that. But let me just open this workshop door now so Ian can move.
Even in daylight we can see how bright that one is.
Yeah. And as Ian pointed out, it actually sort of gives you a bit more light on this step area as well. Right, so what have we got here? So this is a complete LED module. We're not just changing the bulb inside. It's a whole series of LEDs on a PCB in a little waterproof case. So we're going to replace that with this. I'm going to show you how to do that. There's two on the back of your Ford Ranger, one either side of your number plate. Right, anything else we need to say? Right, one thing, so we're going to supply a kit of two of these. We're also going to supply some black silicone with it, and I will show you why. Right, let's crack on. Right, I need the screwdriver, only tools you need. A little screwdriver. Now, you've got two options here, if you go outside in. Now, we were playing on a Ford Ranger today, and the light is a little further inset. You can see here it's almost flush with the sort of furthest back part here, and on here it's quite easy to get in.
You might have to go to the bottom on that one.
On the bottom. One side might be easier than the other. Oh. Is he gonna?
The other one just popped out, didn't it?
Yeah, but you had the top on the other side. No, well, it doesn't matter if you break it, but if you're struggling, as I am, you can't get in behind because of the rear bumper, but you can take this whole plastic section out here. So if I just give this section a pull, there you go, you can pop that out, and then you'll see on the back that it's just held in with this spring here. Okay, so there's a little, and you can just push it out. There you go. Right, so let's pop that out, and then to disconnect it, you've got a little twist there. Hold that bottom bit.
That'll just spin forever, so you've got to kind of look for the.
And then
you've got two little tabs on it, and there's just two little slots there that you've got to line it up with.
Yeah, it did. Right, now that's going to be hot, so I'm going to use my always handy handkerchief there. Right, so that's the connector. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to reassemble. Well, actually I won't, because it's going to be easier to show you. If you're lucky, you'll have popped it out. Right. So what we can do now is we can pop the new LED one. It says picking up the wrong one. Now right, you'll notice you've got the spring at one end and no spring at the other. The spring goes to the end with the sort of corner triangle. See, at the end it's round at the bottom. At the top
it's got that corner chamfered off on the corner there.
And that's the spring goes at that end. Now on the other side it's the other way up. So
no, they're both the same.
They're both the same.
Actually,
Sorry,
yeah,
right. So we can just put that in. I'm gonna.
So you got to put the bottom in first.
Put the bottom corners in first.
Hook the bottom over.
And then, oh, I haven't got that bottom hooked over fully, have I?
No. So you got two little tabs on the bottom there.
They go in.
And then should just push and clip the top.
Push, clip. Oh, he's a bit fierce.
New springs might be a bit.
So okay, go on. That's it.
There we go.
That's nice and tight. Right. And then what we've got to do is we've got to connect this. Now you'll notice we've got the doors open so the lights are on, and you'll notice that although you've got a red and black wire, it doesn't actually make any difference which way round you connect it, because it works that way round, and if I rotate it the other way round and push it in, it should still work. Yeah, there you go, that's still working. Now before I push that in, this is all going to get tucked behind the bumper, and although it's quite sheltered here, you could get exposed to some weather. So what I'm going to do is we're supplying this silicone, and we're just going to I'm going to put it around this base here.
So you want to avoid get on your terminals. You don't want to get it on the metal pins there.
Not really. It'll be alright. Right, and then I'm going to push that in there, and hopefully that will give me a bit more. There you go. That will form a little. Now, if you want to tidy it up a bit, you can lick your finger and just dress it a little bit. Look at that. Look at pro. Right, there you go. Work that on your trousers. Right, that's ready to tuck in behind there.
Other way
The
up.
other way up. And then hopefully that... Right, and what do we reckon on this way? We've got a spring there.
Got a couple of clips on it, so you think you tuck the front edge in first, then just push the back edge back.
There we go. That's it.
There you go.
And that clicks in. And that is how to upgrade the rear number plate lights on your Ford Ranger pickup.